I'm going to use a small blowpipe, about a 1/2-inch diameter head. I'm going to do as big a collecting gather as I can do on the end of the blowpipe. This is a Roman bottle. It's one of the most minimal, elegant glassblowing processes I know. And one of the goals is to do as much as possible without reheating. Just doing as many things as I can, coasting down from the heat of the gather. I've marvered this. I've blown the initial bubble. I need the bottom to be the thickest part, so I marver it to a point. I blow the bubble a little bigger and elongate the neck. Now this tube is thin. It cools quickly. The thick glass at the bottom stays soft, so if I blow again, just that part blows out. Here's a constriction. I need to be able to separate this from the blowpipe. So there's my neck or constriction. The bottom is still soft, so I can flatten the bottom. Now, an old Roman technique is to break the thing off the blowpipe, flip it around, and use the moil, that is the glass left on the end of the blowpipe, as a punty or handle. The opening is about 1,000 degrees right now, and to give the rim its final shape, I need it to be about 1,300 or 1,400 degrees. So I put the end right inside the furnace, and it pretty quickly reheats to that temperature. Before I sit down, I'm going to flash it to make sure that the punty is a little bit soft so it won't snap off when I do this, give the rim its final shape. And to get it off the punty, I just tap. Now I'll put this in the annealing oven, and tomorrow it'll be room temperature. We can take a look at it.